When people want to buy a mattress, one debate always comes up. Should I buy foam or spring? Some people will say spring mattress is more modern. Some will say foam is better for the body. Some will just say, give me the one that will last. The truth is, the best mattress is not about following what everybody is saying. It is about choosing what fits your body, your sleep style, and your home. So today, let's compare foam and spring mattresses in a simple way, using 6 points that can help you decide before you spend your money. 1. Understand how both mattresses work. A foam mattress is made mainly from layers of foam designed to support your body and give comfort. The quality depends on the type of foam, the density, the firmness, and how well it is made. A spring mattress has coils or springs inside, usually covered with comfort layers. That spring system gives bounce and a different kind of feel. So foam is more about steady support and pressure relief. Spring is more about bounce and lift. Neither one is automatically good or bad. What matters is quality and whether it suits you. 2. Foam mattresses usually give better motion control. Let's say you share a bed with your spouse, your child, or even someone who turns like ceiling fan at night. If one person moves and the whole mattress shakes, the other person may keep waking up. Foam mattresses usually reduce that movement better because the foam absorbs pressure instead of transferring it across the bed. This is helpful for light sleepers. If you wake up easily or your partner moves a lot, a good foam mattress can make your nights calmer. 3. Spring mattresses can feel bouncier. Some people like bounce. They don't want a mattress that feels too still. A spring mattress can give that lifted, responsive feeling, but the quality of the springs matters a lot. If the springs are weak or poorly made, the mattress may become noisy, uneven, or uncomfortable over time. You may have seen some old mattresses where you can almost feel the spring pressing through. That is not comfort, that is punishment. So if you are choosing spring, quality is very important. 4. Foam can be better for everyday Nigerian family use. In many Nigerian homes, the mattress is not only for sleeping. Children jump on it. People sit on the edge. Family members lie down to watch TV. Sometimes guests come and use it. A good foam mattress can handle everyday use well, especially when it is made with strong, durable foam. But again, don't just buy any foam. Low quality foam will still disappoint you. The goal is to buy from a trusted manufacturer that understands durability. 5. Your sleeping position should guide your choice. If you sleep on your back, you need a mattress that supports your spine without letting your waist sink. If you sleep on your side, you need comfort around the shoulder and hip so you don't wake up with pressure pain. If you sleep on your stomach, you usually need firmer support so your body does not bend too much. So instead of asking only, is foam better than spring? Ask, how do I sleep? Your sleeping position will tell you a lot about the kind of mattress you need. 6. Quality matters more than category. This is the most important point. A poor foam mattress is not better than a good spring mattress. A poor spring mattress is not better than a good foam mattress. What matters is the material, the support, finishing, the durability, and the brand behind it. When you enter a showroom, don't be shy to test the mattress. Lie down properly. Don't just press it with your hand and decide. Your hand is not the one sleeping at night. Lie down the way you normally sleep. Check if your back feels supported. Check if it is too hard or too soft. Ask questions. For many Nigerian homes, a quality foam mattress remains a strong choice because it gives steady support, good comfort, and durability when made properly. That is why Winco Foam has continued to serve homes, hotels, hostels, guest rooms, and families across the country for decades. At Winco Foam, we make mattresses for different sleep needs, from firm support to softer comfort options. If you're not sure what to buy, visit a Winco Foam showroom and let the team help you choose based on your body, your budget, and your sleep style. Foam or spring, don't buy blindly. Buy what supports you, lasts longer, and helps you wake up refreshed. Visit wincofoam.com or any Winco Foam showroom near you to find the right mattress for your home. Until next time, sleep well, live better.